Is dropshipping still around? It takes 15 days for them to ship it out. Retailers think that's trash. Okay, this is a very, very interesting point. So is dropshipping really still around? It takes 15 days for them to ship it out. Retailers think that's trash. You are correct and incorrect, okay? On Etsy, this is actually the amazing, but best thing ever about Etsy is it's a handmade platform. So it's kind of a handmade platform. So people pretty much assume that stuff's going to take a little bit longer to arrive, right? Like, it's just very simple, very simple. They think that it's being handmade wherever, right? And it's being handmade in China. Like, this is fine. You can take longer to ship it out because they'll believe that it's being handmade, and that's why it's taking a long time. It's just taking a long time because it's the shipping, right? But because of the platform, literally amazing, and everyone believes it's handmade, so longer shipping times don't matter. You can look at some of the biggest stores on the platform, and they have like 3, 4, 5 week shipping times because they're shipping from China, and they still get thousands of sales each and every single week. My competition for a lot of my stores are competing against Chinese people. They're drop shipping directly from China, super lazy. They have like 4 to 6 week shipping. I have 2 week shipping because I have better suppliers, good relationships. And for some of my stores, I have a couple days shipping because I use warehousing and stuff like this. You don't have to do that, but I do this. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.